Hi, Martin here from MV Drive Services. In this video I would like to show you our physical product, a rental transformer, that we can provide to customer in emergency situations where the original unit fails or has some other issue. I have arrived here at Riyadh, where we have the warehouse where we are storing the units, and I will walk to the warehouse and show you the transformer. I bought a Swiss chocolate for the driver. He will be driving for a few days to Northern Europe, so he might need some energy. So we are right here. This is the warehouse where the transformer is stored, and I will just walk in now. So we are just loading the unit now on the truck. You can see we are just discussing whether we should put a wrap on it or just transport it like this. This is our rental transformer. So loading is done. Now we will put the wrap around the transformer. Now we put the wrap around it. The truck will drive outside of the warehouse where it will be properly tightened. So now we have the transformer loaded on a truck, covered with this blanket, with a tarn, and ready to be shipped. The driver is just doing the custom papers, and then it's ready to be shipped to the customer.